Imagine building a billion-dollar empire with just $15 in your pocket. Sounds impossible, right? Well, this is the true story of Tom Monaghan, a man who went from being homeless to founding one of the largest pizza chains in the world, Domino's. In this video, you'll discover how he turned a tiny pizzeria into a global brand, overcoming adversity and achieving success against all odds. But Tom's journey wasn't just about pizza. His life took dramatic turns filled with setbacks, triumphs, and personal transformation. Stay tuned to hear how one man's relentless drive changed the way the world eats pizza. Welcome to my channel, Smart Money Moves. Tom Monaghan was born in 1937 in Ann Arbor, Michigan. After his father passed away when he was just 4 years old, Tom and his younger brother spent years in foster care as their mother struggled to support them. Tom had a rough upbringing and was even kicked out of the seminary after dreaming of becoming a priest. Eventually, he enlisted in the Marines, which provided some discipline in his life. However, after leaving the Marines, he still struggled to find his path. In 1960, at the age of 23, Tom Monaghan and his brother James decided to purchase a small pizzeria called Domino's in Ypsilanti, Michigan. They scraped together a $500 down payment, and Tom borrowed an additional $900 to finalize the purchase. James quickly lost interest in the business, selling his half to Tom for a used Volkswagen Beetle. Tom was now the sole owner of the pizza shop. Tom worked tirelessly to make the business profitable, often delivering pizzas himself. After a few years, he realized the potential for expansion and started focusing on pizza delivery as a central concept. He renamed the business Domino's Pizza in 1965. The iconic 3-dot logo represented the 3 stores he owned at the time, with plans to add a dot for every new store. However, Domino's expanded so quickly that adding a dot for each new location became impractical. Despite the business's growth, Tom faced significant obstacles. In 1968, a fire destroyed his only commissary, which was crucial for supplying ingredients to his stores. He was on the brink of bankruptcy but refused to give up. Domino's innovated by focusing on speed, promising to deliver pizzas within 30 minutes or less. This aggressive strategy helped the company stand out from competitors, even though it came with risks, such as accidents involving delivery drivers. In the 1980s, Domino's expanded rapidly, both nationally and internationally. By the end of the decade, the company had thousands of locations worldwide. Tom Monaghan became incredibly wealthy, but his lifestyle and personal excesses led him to a crisis. Inspired by his Catholic faith, he decided to change his ways in the late 1980s. He sold off most of his extravagant possessions, including his luxury cars, and focused on philanthropy. In 1998, Monaghan sold 93% of Domino's Pizza to Bain Capital for around $1 billion. This allowed him to focus more on charitable efforts, including funding Catholic education and various religious causes. Domino's Pizza continued to thrive after the sale, becoming one of the largest pizza chains in the world. Tom Monaghan's story is one of perseverance, hard work, and resilience. Despite being homeless at one point and facing numerous setbacks, he built one of the most recognizable pizza brands in the world with just $15 and a dream. His legacy extends beyond the business world, as he became a major philanthropist after selling Domino's, dedicating his wealth to charitable causes that aligned with his faith.